Let me show you how my client went from spending 3 hours in manual data entry to literally 5 minutes by automating one simple task. For context, this client is a digital marketing agency and they promote events in Australia, and specifically they need to pull information from a specific website. In this scenario, it could be Ticketmaster, even though it's not, and they import it into a Google Sheet where they track all the ad performances for each one of these events. This is what their Google Sheet looked like. Obviously, it's redacted for the purposes of this video, but we have event ID, events date, the name of the event, how many days do we have selling left, the capacity, yesterday's sales, current count, and a lot of other different things that are tracked over here. But the two most important fields are these ones, yesterday's sales and current count. And we would go over here and update these two columns every single day. Now, what we did in the background is that we went over here, we created this system where as soon as we import the file from Ticketmaster, which is not Ticketmaster again, it would map out the Ticketmaster file in all the sheets that we are tracking these. And then it would map out the event ID by looking at the event ID that is in this column over here to figure out what event we're talking about. And then it would update the column called current count, which is equivalent to how many sales we have today. So then we would always have up-to-date information on this column, doing it automatically through this part. But previously, they were literally going into Ticketmaster and then searching up the name of the event and seeing how many sales it got that day. And then they would come back and actually manually input that number into this Google Sheet, which was really inefficient. So long story short, they went from spending 3 hours in this problem to just spending less than 5 minutes, because 5 minutes is the entire time the automation takes to run, because it runs every 2 minutes and then it takes 2 minutes to update the 100 different rows that we have in each one of these sheets. And now they have all that time to do whatever they want. And the whole goal here is to decrease the amount of time that it takes from them to figure out that something is happening, either really good or really bad, and doing something about it. So the next step of this automation is actually building a tool that gives you a report every single day of the top performing events and the worst performing events, so their team knows exactly what to do in Facebook Ads Manager. So really happy about how this turned out, and I know that they are too as well, because I talked to them yesterday. And if you want me to build anything like this for you, just reach out to me and I'll build it for you super quickly. So talk to you soon, and I'll see you in the next one.